Really going to be one of those days where we start off with rain, you get a lull or a break in the rain, and then you see some potential in the afternoon. So it won't be an all-day situation, but we do have a WFA weather alert, and this is specifically Sunday between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Now, your impact, while we will see some scattered morning rain, it's really the afternoon that we're watching for possible redevelopment of thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms can then produce some gusty winds, some small hail, and at times some heavy rain. There is a very low potential for that severe weather, though. You want to make sure to grab the rain gear because we do have daily rain chances beginning today, and of course stay updated on the latest with us on WFA+. Today, the high temperature makes it to 82 degrees, light wind in place. It's warm, it's humid, about 10% coverage of rain today, meaning most of us will stay completely rain-free. On Saturday, you'll notice more cloud cover, a high near 83 degrees, 20% coverage of rain in the afternoon. It's Sunday where we're going to see the biggest potential for that rain. So let me take you through today. This is around 3 p.m. Look at this, just a pop-up little shower. I do think that thunderstorms will struggle to develop today. That's why most of us will stay completely rain-free. Saturday, we start out with cloud cover. This is in the afternoon. That's around 2 p.m. You see a few of those isolated showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. For the most part, we will be, again, rain-free, with the exception of that quick pop-up shower or storm. Now, Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, we will see thunderstorms develop well out to the west. I'm talking West Texas, and those storms are going to decay the more east they progress. So what happens is that Saturday evening and Saturday overnight, you get this slight risk for severe weather outside of North Texas. That's why that's there, because of storms that develop well out to the west. But this is going to be a line that eventually pushes in to areas of North Texas. And again, decaying storms. That's why we have Sunday morning rain. But Sunday afternoon, when any redevelopment that happens, we could very well see an isolated strong storm or two, especially along our western counties. So let's go ahead and talk about that timing. Remember, I said storms well out to the west Saturday. This is going into Saturday around midnight, going into Sunday. That decaying cluster of storms approaches, and then as it closes in on DFW, it pretty much goes away. So if that actually holds in place and makes it into the Metroplex early on, it's not going to last very long in the morning. Mostly cloudy the remainder of the day, and look at this redevelopment in the afternoon. This is around 3 in the afternoon. That's about the time that our WFA weather alert goes into a place, and this is for, again, some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms with that potential for some strong activity. This is around 7 p.m. You see a bit better coverage. That's where that 50% coverage comes into play. This continues through about 9 or 10. You see how these thunderstorms, once the sun sets, they really start to decay quite a bit, and then we're looking at a rain-free Sunday night. Between now and Sunday night, with most of this happening Sunday night, we could pick up anywhere between ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall for the Metroplex, slightly higher amounts along our western counties, where that original cluster of thunderstorms could very well make its way into the area very early on Sunday. Now let's talk next week, because rain chances don't end this weekend. We've got daily rain chances Monday afternoon, about 20% coverage. This is Tuesday, though. Look at Tuesday. 30% coverage, and I want you to pay attention really closely Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. This is now Wednesday. 30% coverage. Tuesday and Wednesday are looking a little bit more active, so definitely want to make sure to check back in, because we could be seeing some stronger activity during that time frame. It's a little bit too early to detail any specific time frames or impacts for those days, but I do want you to keep checking in with us, because again, every day we have rain chances, and not one day is a washout. It's going to look different every day in terms of coverage and timing. So again, it's one of those weeks where you want to pay attention to a human forecaster. Your WFA weather team has got you covered, Morgan.
All right, Mariel, thank you. Switching gears to your health.